Hi guys and welcome. Have a great mood today to show you all the things that you need to know of how to build a stunning landing page using the convenient and very powerful platform that's called Lead Pages. And in this video you're gonna know the step-by-step things of how you can make your own landing page in a minute. Really, literally in a minute. So before I've started to show you all the things, I want to say that our team left a link in the description panel of this video and you can get access to Lead Pages platform with a big discount from our team for our friends. So use that link if you want to build your own website or landing page or any web page that you probably may have. So let's jump into dashboard of this fantastic tool and I'm gonna provide you with a step-by-step tutorial right now. Okay, we're in. First of all, of course, you need to create your own account if you didn't have it yet, and then when you're going to be on the platform, you need to press the create new landing page. And there are tons of templates already pre-built, already made for you, and you can sort it by conversion rate, by the most popular, newest. You can find the page type, and there are tons of things that you can use. Industry also you can use, and even you can sort it by style or color, so definitely you're gonna find something that will suit to your own business. But in this video today I want to show you how to build things, how to manage things, how to manage elements, and what are in this platform. First of all, you need to give your page a name, and then in the list of your projects you will easily find the template that you need. Okay, we have a simple layout and that's perfect because in this case you don't need to change a lot of things, a lot of stuff, and that's why it's very convenient and very easy to build. I'll provide you with all these buttons. Here you have a lead matter. That's an interesting tool that shows the excellence of your future landing page, all the things, how all the things build and how your landing page will convert your visitors to your customers. Of course, you have undo, redo buttons. You have the preview mode and this publish button when everything is ready. Okay, going next, layout. Here in the layout, everything actually built with the sections. Here in layout, you see all the sections that contains your website. There's a body and footer. You can add a section, and this button is the same with this one. You can add sections, and there are tons of pre-built sections. About, call to action, and so on and so on. And you can add the blank templates of the sections if you want. You can just drag and drop it to any spot that you see. These blue boxes are the spots. When you place something in, you can go to layout and reorder those things, just grabbing and moving them around. Okay, just to show you. If you see, there's a background color here, but we have the picture here in this section, and this background color lays in styles. Here you see this color, there's a page background color, but you can add an image, and in that case you will have the fantastic parallax effect. Just want to show you that. Here in the pictures you can use your images that already uploaded to the platform. You can use premium images that you can buy straight from the platform. It's about $8 per picture. It's not cheap, but if you don't have your own content, this can be handy. But I'm gonna upload the picture from my computer, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, the picture is on the spot. I want to use a picture of this sporty guy, and you see this parallax effect right there. He is on the background. Very important thing, this color we can switch off. Very important thing, this image color overlay, it can be handy if you have for example, the dark picture, you can add a color that will be on top of your picture. You see? Then you change the opacity and the picture looks pretty nice and pretty cool. Okay, we left that in this shape going out. So how to edit things? Here in layout, in this body, when you press on this small arrow button, you see what you have there. You have a column, you had a headline column, and you can add column or a row. That also can be handy if you like building something special, but actually you can use those widgets here to insert anything that you want. Text, image and text, image, video, button, form, line, spacer, icon, progress bar, and so on. Social like, anything, any of those elements can be dragged and dropped to all these blue boxes that you will discover when you're hovering over the layout of your section. For example, right here, yeah. Just to show you, I will not put it here, but just showing you that it's pretty simple and easy, and there's a drag and drop. And that's absolutely cool and absolutely fast. Okay, when we go into this 3 dots button, small button, you can edit section settings, you can add section buffer below, duplicate, copy, or delete. Let's jump to edit section settings, and you see that there's a picture here. We're gonna delete it, and you see that there's a background of a page that we inserted in the styles, and that looks already pretty great. Yeah, I'm gonna delete all this. I'm not gonna change the text for this one. I'm just gonna show you how to manage with the text. You just double click on this block, you highlight it all, and you can choose the style, the type of your text. That's also interesting and important for search engine machines, and then search engine machine will understand that you have the jumbo, like heading 1. You can make it small, let it be jumbo. You can use the more spacing. You can change the color of the text. No, that's not good. Well, actually, if you ever used any Word from Microsoft, yeah, software, you will easily edit the text. And when you're hovering, you see this blue line. When you grab this blue line, you can move things around to make it the shape that you need. Or, where's the spacer? Yeah, if we're gonna delete the spacer, we still have this column. We're gonna delete it. Body section, style, highlight, column 3. I'm gonna delete this column, and you see it's pretty centered. Everything that you want to make with a style happening with this pencil button. Okay, the same thing with, okay, I'm gonna make it left hand. It looks pretty cool. Everything is the same for any text that you want. And of course, you can change the font. Open Sans, for example. Let's make it Open Sans here also. The buttons. This is a very important thing. If you want to use the button, actually those interactive elements, any landing page contains text, videos, images, and interactive elements like buttons and forms, and this is the way how your visitor will interact with your landing page, because it's very, very important. And then when somebody will press the button, what's gonna happen? That's very important thing, and you need to edit the click event. What's gonna happen? You can open a pop-up, you can open a calendar pop-up, you can jump to page section if your button contains some like read more, yeah, discover more. And when somebody will press it, the landing page will scroll straight to about section. But in general, in most cases, we're using the pop-ups, and you can edit the pop-ups straight from here. Okay, the body, everything with the style happening the same way. Section style, and you can add an image, or you can apply a color. It can be transparent, for example, and let it be like that. Or you can add an image like, I don't know, this one, insert, just for example. Yeah, we're not going to use the image, we're going to use the color, and that's pretty cool. The text, I showed you what's happening with the text, but most important thing is added integrations. When you press on this button, you jump into integrations, fields, and actions. First one is integrations. What's going to happen? How you going to get the lead notification that somebody pressed the button and fulfilled all these fields? You can use the lead notifications that are pre-built in this platform, and you'll get a new email, for example, or you can add an integration to external services that provides you with an email marketing, and that's very cool. And if you have ConvertKit, MailChimp, GetResponse, or some of those, you can use them, of course. If you don't know what are those, definitely you need to find out, because there's very handy and useful services that can help you to grow your email list and help you to update all the information. Like if you have new options, if you have new products, you can send messages to your potential clients from your email list, and as it says, the money is on the list, and as your list is growing, you're getting more money. Okay, if you don't have those, you can integrate everything with a Zapier, and that's also a fantastic tool and very powerful tool. For example, you want the new leads to get to your Google Sheets. Nice, cool. You can apply Google Ads via Zapier, and so many things. You just need to discover all those before you go live, but it's pretty enough if you don't have a lot of orders, a lot of new leads. You can use lead notification, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Here in the second button, the fields, in general, there's a first name and email. That's all information that you need. So we're gonna add a first name, done, and you can move them around with those small arrows. So first name and email. Send me the workout plan. We're not changing the text. I showed you how you can change the text, but the styles of the button I didn't show you, and I will do it right now. Here in this small pencil button, of course, you can make your button square, rounded, and you see the shape of the corners is changing instantly. Circular, for example, flat, line, and gradient. I love those line option and square buttons. We can change the text of the background of the button and the hover text. Let it be like that, just to check. Yeah, you see that looks pretty amazing. All right, the same thing here. We added the click event, we added the pop-up, and we will change the style to the same line that we have. The color will be, the hover text will be this interesting color, and you see what's happening when somebody hovering over the button. We have this parallax effect. I'm gonna delete this section straight away from here. Yes, I'm gonna remove it just to show you. And you can apply the picture. You can add an image to entire block, just to the section. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna upload the new picture. One more pic of this tough guy out there, and we're applying the overlay color. And here you go. You see, here's the background of this section. and the background of entire page is still there. Yeah, if you're building a big website, if you're building the landing page that contains couple sections, that can be handy. And I added the blank template, and when you using the widgets, you can just drag and drop all the things instantly. To edit the video, you need to pass the embed code from Vimeo or from YouTube or from your video provider. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna delete this section also. Here in the footer, you need to edit your business information like address, like contact information, but the main thing is working with these buttons. And if you have layout not so simple as we have here, you can add about section, you can add testimonials, for example, if you have them. Literally, if you have running a business already and you have some testimonials, you can apply them here. But any landing page built with a one simple purpose: to give some value for exchange to contact information from your visitor. That's it. So of course you need to use the catchy text. Of course you need to use the beautiful and high quality pictures, videos, and so on. If you don't have them, as I told you, you can buy them straight from the platform, and that's pretty it. Any landing page contains couple things like kick off your next phase of fitness with a free workout plan. Value, yeah, definitely there are value in there's a value in this text. And all right, I want to get my free fitness plan workout. Great, I'm gonna press the picture. Catching the idea? That's it. So I showed you the core knowledges that you need to know to build your own layout, to build your own landing page that will help you to grow your email list. And in the end of the story, you will get a profit because you're selling something or you proposing the goods or services, and in that case you have a profit. And the purpose, as I told you, is to get the contact information from the people who are visiting and discovering your landing page. So that's pretty it. I hope this all makes sense for you. If it's not, find out more information about sales funnels, find out information about landing pages and about how to build them properly and how to build them in a stunning way and how to make them beautiful and actually efficient, because that's very important. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was useful. Before I'll say goodbye, I want to remind you that we pasted the link in the description panel of this video, and you can get access to Lead Pages platform with a big discount from our team to our friends. So save some money and start building your own landing page. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.